हरि ओम। ओम श्री तपोवन परम गुरवे नमः। ओम श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। To पूज्य गुरुजी, पूज्य स्वामी अद्वैयानंद जी, to all the swamins, brahmacharins, and to everyone present here, Hari Om, Pranam. पूज्य स्वामी स्वरूपानंद जी, we are missing his presence here. Swamiji just returned from his tour abroad and he has a flu, not feeling very well. So just today morning, Swamiji said he will not be able to participate with us here. We wish Swamiji recovers very fast. 108th year of Puja Gurudev, especially this year, 2024, is a very, very momentous year. If we think about it from a national standpoint, what had not happened for many generations, that we saw it happening this year in January when the Pran Pratishtha of Ram Lala happened in Ayodhya. Pujya Gurudev established VHP right here, and he was spearheading the movement for quite a long time, continued to guide the sevaks who were working for it. And some people may call it coincidence, but for me it is not a coincidence that in the 108th year the Pran Pratishtha happened. Even the day the judgment came, Supreme Court's judgment came in November 2019, the same date in 1990 Gurudev had written that you will see Ram Mandir happening. Many coincidences we may say these are, but this is the divine will of Bhagwan as well as Gurudev, who had so much of passion for Sanatana Dharma, for our country, and that this happened in his 108th Jayanti year. So nationally a very great thing happened. At our Mumbai center level, as Meghna ji said, the biggest center of Chinmay Mission Mumbai is acquired in this very year at DN Nagar. And so that will also get inaugurated very soon. At an individual level, so many of you have been doing the Chinmay. We started with Koti Nama Japa, meaning 1 crore japas of Puja Gurudev's name, Om Shri Chinmay Sadgurave Namaha. But we reached the target very soon. Then we said Dvi Koti, so 2 crores. 2 crores also we reached. Then I said, I am not going to give 3 koti because that you will anyway reach. So we are going to continue this japa up to the 75th year of Chinmay movement, which is 2026. अब जितने कोटि हो जाएंगे उतने हो जाएंगे. 75 कोटि हो गए तो ठीक, because 75 years of Chinmay movement. So let us see. So individually all of you have been doing that as a sadhana. Personally for me in this year, with again Gurudev's grace, I could complete the Narmada Parikrama. That also happened in January. And so this is a very, very momentous year from all different standpoints. So as we were preparing for this, the 1008 Paduka Pujas in various zones, many of the sevaks have got trained. And what I'm happy about is that they are now confident to do the pujas and also conduct satsangs. Gurudev wanted that Grahasthas must be the walking, talking ambassadors of our Sanatana Dharma. And he wanted us to reach out to maximum people. So 100 plus people we have trained who are ready to do pujas, who are ready to conduct satsangs. And so Gurudev would definitely be very happy and proud of all of these sevaks, sevikas. My hearty congratulations to all of them also. We have done 915. And we are not going to stop with that. Our sankalpa has to be fulfilled. We have taken 2 sankalpas. One is 1008 pujas. So we started last year, August 3rd. We will continue up to this year, August 3rd, if required, to fulfill that 1008 sankalpa. That we will complete. But I had also given for each zone in Mumbai that inspiring goal that they have to do 108 pujas. 2 zones have done, 6 zones are remaining. We are not stopping until they finish. So all the zonal presidents, acharyas, whoever are there, have to ensure that they reach. Because when we have taken a sankalpa in Gurudev's name, it has to be completed. It cannot be left unfulfilled. And the timeline is August 3rd this year. The zones which have completed can help the zones which have not yet reached the target. Together we stand as one family and we will reach. And we have to do this. Ready, all of you? Many of you who are here, if you have not yet hosted a Paduka Puja, please, you can come forward and host. Now, on this occasion, I composed something, and before I say, I share that, this was in one flight journey, some 3 hours I was in that flight, so I thought I want to write something about on this occasion. So some few verses I have written down. Guruji, there may be some flaws in that. So I seek forgiveness before only. I will fine tune it with your help and Advayanji's help. This is called Abhishek Shatkam. 6 verses on Abhishek because we are on Mastak Abhishek. So first 2 verses are on why do we do Abhishek in general. Any Abhishek it can be. कृतज्ञता ज्ञापनार्थम चिन्मय वृत्ति व्याप्तये काम निष्काम पूर्त्यर्थम अभिषेकम समर्पये. So why do we do Abhishek? Because we want to express our gratitude. And Chinmaya Vritti Vyaptaye. May our mind, just like the holy waters pervade the Murti of Puja Gurudev, may our mind be pervaded by thoughts about Puja Gurudev, thoughts about consciousness. And some people do also Abhishek for fulfillment of their desires. So Kamana Purtyartham. And some people do Nishkam, just for the love of the Lord. So for that we do the Abhishek. Second, Murti Shaktima Vapnoti Vritti Antarmukhim Bhavet Bahir Dravya Abhishekam Tu Antarbhavam Vishuddhayet. When we do Abhishek outside, so the Murti, whichever is the Murti or the Linga, that gets more and more sanctified, powerful. So Murti Shaktima Vapnoti. And Vrittihi Antarmukhi Bhavet. Our mind will turn introvert. External Dravya will lead to internal purification. Many people think that Abhisheka, why are we doing? So much of material is getting wasted. Nothing goes for a waste. What we offer to Bhagavan, many places you will see in the temples, it is collected and given as Naivedya, as Prasad, sorry. It is given as Tirtha Prasad to everyone. Now specifically for Chinmay Mastak Abhishek, Chinmaya Guru Devasya Abhishekam Karomyaham Kayena Manasa Buddhya Seva Bhaktya Samadhina. So Gurudev's Abhishek we will do in 3 ways. Through our body, through our mind, through our intellect. Gurudev always said BMI, so body, mind, intellect. So we will offer Abhishek to Gurudev. All of us when we go now, we should have this as our bhav. We are not just doing physical Abhishek. It is Abhishek of Seva, Abhishek of Bhakti and Abhishek of Jnana. So what is this Seva? Seva Chinmaya Samsthayaha Yajna Bhavena Shuddhyati Kartavyam Hindurutthanam Rashtra Jagaranam Tatha. So we have to serve through this Chinmaya mission, the organization that Puja Gurudev established. And how will we serve? Kartavyam, through doing our duties individually, for our families, in our profession, as well as work for the revival of Sanatana Hindu Dharma, as well as for nation building, Hindurutthanam and Rashtra Jagaranam. And how will we do all this? Yajna Bhavena, with the attitude of dedicating this to the Lord. What will this do to us? Shuddhyati. This will purify our mind. So in Vedanta we say that Karma Yoga helps us to overcome the 6 malas, 6 impurities, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. So mala will be removed with Karma Yoga. Then Bhakti. Bhaktya smarami satatam Jagadishvara Swarupinam Swavismaranarthaya Chinmaya Ekagrataya cha. So with love and devotion we offer to Gurudev our constant remembrance. Satatam smarami. Who is Gurudev? Jagadishvara Swarupinam. He is a very embodiment of Ishvara for us, and we are here in Sandipani. Jagadishvara Mandir is the first mandir that Gurudev established. So, Jagadishvara Swarupinam Swavismaranarthaya. We should remember Gurudev in such a way, we should remember the Lord in such a way that we forget ourselves completely and our mind is fully absorbed only in the Lord, in Gurudev. Chinmaya Ekagrataya cha. Our Ekagrata should be only in Gurudev. And lastly, the Jnana Abhishek is Chinmayohamiti Jnanam Sahajena Samadhina Avidyam Nashanarthaya Pradasye Chinmayarpitam. So, Chinmayoham, this contemplation that I am pure consciousness, I am not this body, I am not this jiva, this knowledge, when we continuously contemplate upon, through the Samadhi Avastha, Avidya is destroyed. And this same knowledge, Pradasya, we give it to, we share it with maximum people and do this as a dedication to Puja Gurudev. So these are 6 verses dedicated to Puja Gurudev, and may Bhagwan and Puja Gurudev bless us. Thank you very much.